Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on parental controls on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on or enable the parental protection or the parental controls in Google Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store, guys, over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here at the bottom of the list. Tap on settings, and when you tap on settings, you land on this interface where the fourth option you can see is the family, and where it also says the parental control and the parental guide. Tap on it and you can see the parental controls over here. In order to enable it, again tap on it and you land over here. Now in order to turn on your parental controls, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of this option, or tap on it on the option itself, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to, or you will be required to create a content pin in order to download any apps further than you want for whom you are enabling the parental control. So create a pin over here and tap on OK, and again confirm your pin. To do that, re-enter your pin over here and tap on OK. And after that, guys, after enabling your parental controls on Play Store, you can see the app and games option over here. Tap on it and you can see, guys, there is the category or the range of the age for whom you want to enable the parental controls. For example, if you want the parental controls to be on for your 3-year-old child, then you might want to swipe this up to the 3 years old like this, guys, and it says rated for C+ and most restrictive. But if you want to optimize your parental controls for a higher age of your child, you can go to the 7+, 12+, 16+, and depending upon your customization, tap on save, and then your parental controls will be enabled or turned on like this. And there, guys, this is how to turn on parental controls on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.